are in Sorrento for the Three Gulf Sailing Week, the first regatta ever of the new Wally rocket, so we are very, very excited. We are, for the first time, turning ourselves into racing mode.
wallyrocket51, we try to make something that is smart, that is one design, is a very light boat, is 6 tons, very fast downwind, little things like water ballast, so you can say with not too many persons, and that make this boat different, let's say. So today we go in the water, we check all the systems, maneuver, crew, and let's go fast.
I wanna rock it. Go! Go!
Molto corte, 1 miglio. Top marking position.
I wanna rock it.